Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to customize priority in Rally or how to configure priority in Rally administrations. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Let's begin with today's agenda. Then we'll move further with practical demo. We'll discuss here what is priority, how to customize priority, adding new priority with practical demo. So let's jump to our Rally login credential where we are able to see our dashboards. From here, simply click on setup, and from setup panel you're able to see workspace and project. So priority is basically related with the workspace, so because of that we are selecting in any specific project. If you want to customize your priority, you have to select defects here, and post selecting defects from here you can select on priority or the settings tabs of priority. Click on edit, and here we begin with priority contain. So let's understand how what is priority. Priority is basically when the tester or any person who raised the defect, and when it was picked and when it is fixed, basically priority is deciding that defects to be fixed and when it is expected to be picked up for the fix. So basically it's a giving or it's a suggestion on fixing of any particular defects and when we'll got the resolution. So that's priority. When you want to add or remove the priority which is already available, we have to jump to this page where we are able to see name, display name, and the drop down list. So let's understand how we'll configure it. If you want to move up or down something like this, you can do this. So this is already by default priority is available. If we want to add any new priority, we have to simply write here blocked and click on add. It means the new priority is added. So let's move this as a up and let's move this as a down. Now we can see blocked high attentions or highest. Maybe we can change the priority of high attention. Now you can see it's updated. Post adding all this detail. Click on save and close, and your priority field will be saved finally. Let's check again, and you can see whatever priority we have added, same thing is available. If you want to delete any specific priority like this one, then we can delete it simply from here. If you want to add some more priority like medium, we can add it from here. So let's move this up to low. Now the priority is set, and click on save and close. Our priority is finally saved, and whatever data we want to add it or edit it, we can save it from here. So that's all about configuration of priority in Rally. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.